Make sure to use STARCODE KRYSTIN when buying Robux. All the links for my catalog items can be found down in my video description. Hey everyone, it's Krystin and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So for today's video, we're starting complete from scratch on my new channel. So you guys, before we even get into it, can you definitely make sure to subscribe? And while you're at it, make sure that you hit notifications on. So what we're going to be doing today is actually checking out Brookhaven. I have just moved here and I'm actually really excited to check things out and kind of do like a full tour, see what's going on. It seems a little bit crazy in town. I'm scared. So what do we have here? So we have the bank. We can even like go in, get money. Oh, this is the alley. Definitely do not want to go there. I'm not working here for today. I might need to, I think we need to be an employee. We can even come over. We can get some money over at the ATM, but we should probably leave for now because I'm kind of broke. I do need to get a job. We need to like go swimming. There's a clothing store that we can go shopping in. This is really, really cute. There's so much to do. You guys, I am for sure gonna need to invite my friend Rosa and maybe Bree to come over and maybe come to the airport and visit. Wait, the cleaners? Oh no, they're out of service? Wait, oh my gosh, are they going out of service? Okay, it's fine. So what do we have over here? The high school. Okay, so this looks a lot cleaner than high schools that I'm used to. We could probably even come in, put our name on a locker. Oh, I'm not a student yet. Principal's office. These things scare me. I don't want to be in the principal's office. Those are so scary. Okay, so we have science class over here. We have English. We have, oh, we don't want to exit yet. The gym. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh, please no dodgeball. Oh my gosh, home of the dogs. Okay, one of the worst things that I've ever played is dodgeball, you guys. I do not move quickly. I get hurt pretty easily. I'm a big fat baby, so I'm definitely gonna need to stay out of there. Cafeteria, this is where it's at for me. Love the cafeteria, the washrooms, the study area. Honestly, I feel like if schools had study areas that were like this, I feel like there would definitely be a lot more studying going on. If you guys have a test, make sure that you study, by the way. It will help you a ton. These are so cute, and they're like super pastel. Ooh, wait, there's art class? Oh my gosh, can we actually draw? And we can do like a little, oh my goodness. It's Valentine's, so you guys know we definitely need done. Okay, so how do we get out of here now? There we go. All right, so lots to do. There's like music class. Honestly, you can really go to school to attempt to be like a billion things. I'm gonna need to get a vehicle because watching everybody drive around, it's a little bit easier looking. Okay, so that's the hospital. Oh, weird. Oh my gosh, there's a graveyard and there's actually even dug up graves. Okay, that is scary. Okay, gonna need to get out of there. Worst fear, being dug, or not being dug alive, actually being buried alive. I would die. Literally, yes, I would die. I would be suffocated. Oh my gosh. It's a knight on a horse. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, was that a spider? Okay, I'm a little bit creeped out, to be honest. Okay, so wait, did we check out the hair and nails? So we have like the arcade, the ice cream, definitely gonna need to go there. Club Brooks, which is currently closed, hair and nails. Ooh, this is fancy. So you can either do nails, you can get nails. Wait, you guys, I kind of want to see if they are hiring. So probably gonna need to come back here so we can like cut some hair, do some nails. Oh my gosh, what is happening over there? What is happening? The poor horse is having somebody with, oh my gosh, I need to hide. I need to hide. I'm not good with people. Okay, so there's a grocery store, so that is good. We can go over, we can get some food. And then, okay, so the police station, so if we have anything that we need to be taken care of, and the pool, oh my gosh, don't want to go there. All right, so this place actually looks pretty cool, you guys, but I think it is time to maybe check out our new home. Oh, hey, don't forget to use STARCODE KRYSTIN when buying Robux. And while you're here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of try to see what I can find that actually looks extravagant because I'm kind of feeling a little bit fancy today. What is this one? I've never seen this home before, and I'm pretty sure that they actually have just added a bunch of new colors. Ooh, okay, so I'm gonna try to make this like a little bit of a pretty lavender color. I'm gonna stick with that. Oh, this is so fancy. Oh my gosh. Okay, definitely need to check it outside. I really hope that we have like a pool, and we do have like our garage over here. I'm like a millionaire. Oh my gosh. Living my best life. Okay, what is in here? Okay, so we do have our bedroom. Oh my gosh, yes, we can get a pool. My prayers have been answered. We can get a pool. Okay, definitely gonna need to check outside. What is upstairs? So we have like our living room area with our TV. Of course, I can come over here, do YouTube type of things. So we can come over, check the comments, see what you guys are saying. And of course, we need to make sure that you guys have subscribed with notifications on. Then what is over here? Oh, this is fancy, you guys. I could be comfortable in here. Absolutely, this is a place for me. And what is over here? Oh, this is my bedroom. This is so fancy. And okay, what is, oh my gosh, let's turn this on. Oh, that's so cozy. I am feeling so at home here. Oh no, this is my bedroom, you guys. We can check out a ginormous window. This must be my bedroom, all for me. The closet, all for me with all of my money because I'm rich. I am completely rich. Okay, and we even can go outside, you guys, and there's literally a hot tub. Let's make it purple. Oh, yes. This is fancy. I love this. Okay, we do need to go outside because I do actually want to see the backyard because I do love the backyard. I love entertaining, and I really hope that my friends come over to visit. I think you guys would actually really like them. And ta-da, you guys, we have our pool, so we can actually go hang out, swim, suntan, and if you're like me, get completely sunburned. But you guys, definitely make sure that you are subscribed as I will be posting regularly here. All kinds of fun stuff here in Brookhaven. Make sure that you guys have turned on your notifications, and of course, give today's video a super big thumbs up. And if you guys have made it this far, comment all of your unicorn emojis. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'm gonna see you all next time. Bye, guys.